back on the mat here, taking your legs, bringing your feet as wide as the mat, taking your hands behind you. Maybe it feels good to your wrist to have your palms or your fingers facing you, or maybe away, whichever one feels good for you. Taking your knees, moving them from side to side in a nice 90-degree angle. See how your angles are for your legs. Again, your belly buttons to your spine. Maybe you're even taking a moment here to walk your hands back a little bit more, pressing in, allowing your neck to hang. Releasing, opening your mouth, letting your tongue out. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Coming back in. Windshield wipering one more time. And as you bring your knees in together, taking a nice inhale, lengthen head to ceiling. Exhale, curving your back. Inhale, we rise. Exhale, curve. Inhale, rise. Exhale, curve. And on that curve, go ahead and find yourself all the way down towards the mat. We're going to rock our knees from side to side here as well. Still allowing that spine, because doing a lot of lower back things as well. So finding that energy come up from the roots all the way up. So I'm going to scoot a little bit forward here, but from here I want you to inhale give your legs a hug here. Take a nice inhale in and out. Maybe you're rocking side to side. Seeing what that feels like. Bringing your knees down here. We're going to go into a series of bridge poses. So bringing your body down. Maybe you're kind of rocking your legs out, maybe your knees together. Tucking in your pelvis towards the ceiling, taking a nice inhale in, maybe your fingers touching your ankles. Breathing in here, allowing your pelvis to come up towards the ceiling. Take a nice inhale in, open your mouth and let it out. Inhale. Exhale. Your thighs should be squeezing. One more inhale. And exhale, releasing down to the ground. Windshield wipe those legs side to side. Finding breath here. On your next variation, maybe you're taking your hands in a clasp behind your back. So coming up higher on those shoulders. Taking a nice inhale in, bringing that pelvis up high into the sky. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, best one yet. Exhale, release. Coming down to the ground, this time hugging your knees into your chest, keeping them a little wide, rocking them side to side, but letting them hang, not a full-blown happy baby per se. Allowing yourself to just be free here. Maybe you're hugging them into your chest. For the last one, you can find whatever modification feels good to you. Maybe you want to keep your hands down for grounding. Maybe you do want to clasp them behind your back for a deeper shoulder stretch. And if it feels good to you, you can come all the way into a back bend or a wheelbarrow pose. Or wheel pose, sorry. And so to do that, I like to put my hands by my side here to start, and from there then pressing up, similar to the same bridge pose. So inhale, lengthen, and pressing up, the energy driving from your knees still pulled together, your belly button to your spine. Taking a nice inhale in, Exhale, let it out. Maybe you're coming to your tippy toes, exploring what that could feel like. Maybe you're walking your hands even deeper in. Taking a nice inhale in. Exhale, release. One more. Inhale, rise. Exhale, slowly and gently lower yourself down to the ground. Bringing your knees into your chest. Maybe you're opening up for a happy baby here. Opening your mouth on the exhale. Take an inhale in. Open your mouth and let it out. Rocking side to side. Ooh, feeling the yumminess in your hamstrings. Maybe you're lengthening one leg and bending. Allowing yourself to just kind of feel here. Whew. Bringing those legs back down into the mat. Just take a moment here to bring your hands right at the start of your throat, here in your collarbone. Taking a nice inhale in. Open your mouth and let it out. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. One more inhale, we rise. Bringing our legs up to a nice floating tabletop. Exhale, release. Bringing your arms down. Maybe you're getting those legs, long legs up the wall, so as if your bottoms of your feet are pressing the ceiling. If you need a block, feel free to get a block. I'm actually going to show you what that can look like. So here's a block here. Bringing it underneath your pelvis, legs up the wall. Bringing your belly button into your spine here. Inhale. And on the exhale, start to slowly rock those legs back, just like a few. Inhale. Exhale, releasing back. Maybe your hands are down to the ground. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Maybe you're coming up into a nice shoulder stand. That belly button into your spine. Trying to bring those elbows in as much as possible. Getting on the nape of your neck. Take a nice inhale in here. Exhale, release. Bringing those legs. Slowly working our way into plow. So maybe a little bit further down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, maybe only your right one all the way down. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, switching over towards the left. It's okay if your legs are not perfect. Inhale here. Exhale, maybe you're coming all the way. How are you feeling? It's okay if maybe you're not all the way there, but just see how you can lengthen and coming up, and just to explore as you need. Maybe you're keeping your legs bent and slowly allow yourself to roll out of that. Whew. Coming back down, slowly, slowly, slowly. Maybe you're windshield wiping your hips side to side. I'm going to try it without a block next time. Have a couple more just to kind of like warm up our bodies here. So on your next inhale, bringing your hands nice and close, chest up, bringing belly button to your spine, lengthening that butt up, starting to, legs into chest, lifting that butt up, starting to grab it here, maybe a tabletop to start, just while you acclimate yourself here. Taking a nice inhale and lengthening higher. Exhale, releasing your legs down for a nice plow pose. Big inhale in. Maybe you're lengthening one leg up. Maybe making large circles. Oops, sorry, blend. Towards the opposite side. Inhale, making sure you're breathing. Being gentle with your body. Coming out of that. Rocking up. Bringing your neck in. Maybe we'll take a couple rolls here. Allowing yourself to fall back down. A nice starfish pose. Bringing your chest out, your arms out to the side. Bringing your legs all the way down. Taking a nice inhale in. Exhale, release. Inhale in, taking in all the breath around you. Exhale, releasing. On your next inhale, bringing your legs in towards your chest, rocking side to side. Bringing in those legs, opening those arms once more to a nice tabletop position. Inhale. And on the exhale, bringing them over towards the left side. Ooh. Feel the nice yumminess of your spine, allowing gravity to be your friend. We don't have to force our legs down, knowing that we will get there with time, patience, and discipline. Inhale your legs back up. Exhale over towards the right. Maybe you're looking at the left this time, allowing your spine to be cleansed, but still feeling all of that percolating in your throat. Taking a nice inhale in. Exhale, release. Bringing those knees back up. Give yourself another hug. We're going to head back into a nice happy baby. So inhale your pointer and your middle finger around your big toe, or maybe you're even pressing the bottoms of your feet down. Gently taking a nice inhale in. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale, release. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Rocking side to side here. Getting that last yumminess in your body. Taking a nice inhale. Exhale, releasing all the way down. Bringing your legs maybe into a butterfly position. Your hands on your womb. Maybe your hands are up on the nape of your collarbone in a cross position or open position, just kind of touching your collarbone here. Allowing your neck to have some lengthening. Thinking about the throat chakra and how it is our space of communication. All the things that we experience in our lives and the love that we experience is created through our communication channels to talk about what we want and what we need, to being able to voice it clearly to someone so that they may supply our needs or that we may get some great things that we want. So whenever your throat chakra is blocked, we don't necessarily say and speak. There's blockages in our communication channels. There are words that are just inside of us that we can't get out. Maybe we don't take as many risks or go after our goals, unfortunately. So we want to make sure that we keep those lines of communication open, that we start to say our truth, the things that we mean, saying compliments, standing up for ourselves, and being as bold with our voice as we can be.